I think my mirror that I ordered from Target just arrived. Please don't be broken. I actually want to go ahead and sand them down. I need to sit, I'm sorry. Show you guys the prints I actually ended up getting. 30 bucks for this whole bowl?
I think we should add the full day.
Guys like screaming outside my door, but you guys, picking up the vlog a random day. I think my mirror that I ordered from Target just arrived. Okay, he's very loud. It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. Oh my gosh, please don't be broken. So I'll tell you guys what the situation is with this mirror. I found it on Target. I really love the shape and everything, but I looked at all the reviews and basically like 50% of them said that the mirror arrived broken. Some people said they ordered it multiple times and it arrived broken. So I actually ordered it and I thought it was gonna come last week, but apparently it was broken in transit, so they never delivered it. Called back Target, they exchanged me for a new one. So the fact that it's here, I feel good. I don't hear any glass that's broken, so when Eden comes home, we're gonna unbox it and let's see. Okay, I think I heard hubby just pull up. It's honestly been so hard not having a mirror on the main floor because every time I'm like wearing a certain outfit, sometimes I want to see what it looks like before I head out the door, or sometimes I just want to be able to take a selfie right over here. Babe, let's see if the mirror is whole. Let's take a bet right now. What do you think? Because most people, it was FedEx. The guy was so loud, he was literally like I think this is mirror maybe like number 5 coming through this door.
Take off my shoes.
Yeah, now that we have a new rug, we gotta keep it clean. Oh, I don't think it's broken. Okay. Oh, I think it's good and it's so pretty. It actually has rounded edges and look at this wood. It's stunning. It's gonna look really good with like a lot of the wooden tones we got in our living room. No.
I see your reflection.
Shut up, you asshole. You're lucky that people think you're funny now. You're validated.
Yeah, you're like, what?
Aaliyah's home and Evan is putting his bubble wrap to the test. I don't know if she's strong enough to pop it. Aaliyah, say hi. Hello. Oh. Pop, pop, pop. Did you kiss? Nah. And she likes the new mirror too.
What?
Working on getting her to have more fruit.
On her having more fruits and us having more fruits.
Why? I'm gonna eat the rest of her.
Yeah.
Eating fruits has been like such a challenge for me for some reason. I think because I like crunchy fruits. Look, Aliyah, look.
Yo, no, I want this one. You know what says it? Yummy. Yummy. Yup, but okay, there. The other one. When all else fails, cheese string comes to the rescue.
That's my daughter.
For sure.
Come, Aliyah. Come, let's go. Wanna go play? Abba's gonna go to IKEA and he's gonna get us a new little drawer for this space right now.
Great.
And a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? See, at least she likes my voice.
Yeah, you never cut me like that.
Oh, I love with a great big hug and a kiss from me too. I think I sounded just like Barney and make it copyrighted. Alright guys, as you can tell, it's obviously much darker because it's later in the night, and Ellen actually brought over the little cabinet that I wanted from IKEA. I'm gonna go ahead and start building it. Propped up my phone there because I'm currently watching Vampire Diaries as I'm gonna go build this, but it's actually gonna go right over here, and we got a bunch of these baskets as well to put in the bottom. This is what it looks like from IKEA because as you can see, we literally have toys and everything all over the place all the time, so having a storage solution will be a really good option right here. And I think especially next to our new mirror, it's gonna look so good. Okay, next up on our project, we got to deal with our whole dining table situation. We have 6 of these chairs, and as you guys can tell, when I ordered them, I did not expect the color of these legs to be so dark. These chairs were like super affordable. They're actually from Walmart. The inside is like such a beautiful white cushion. But what is my plan for these? I actually want to go ahead and sand them down, and I feel like by doing so, it's going to be matching this color over here. So here's my trusty sander. I got it for like $35, I think, from Home Depot. I'm going to take it right outside and let's see what this will look like. And it really takes no time at all with a good sander, so I'm actually going to link it down below if you guys want to do it for yourself. I mean, you guys, obviously I'm not done. There's still some left over here, but like, look how freaking beautiful the wood grains are. I mean, this is going to look so good next to that table. If you have like pieces in your house, whether it's like the frame of a mirror or like the legs of chairs or even a full dining table, most woods are very light underneath all of that color. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and we'll see what it looks like. Welcome back to the next day. I thought I would show you a couple of the updates that we did in the house, including the chairs. Don't mind the little mess on the table. We've been getting so many Amazon packages lately. They're just piling up. But the chairs look so freaking good. I mean, I still can't believe that all we literally did is take off the old staining. They match our table so much better now. I do still feel like the table here has a little bit of that like yellowy polish tint, so I may actually get one myself and maybe put on a lacquer just so it matches a bit more. But compared to what it was before, I mean, these chairs are so much nicer now. Also, if I haven't showed you guys what the actual texture is, I love them so much. I need to sit, I'm sorry, but these chairs are actually from Walmart. The best part is that I got 2 chairs for like $120, which means that they were about 60 bucks each, which is really nothing. And like I said, they're solid wood, like legs and stuff, which is incredible. So happy with how they turned out. We do have 4 more. I'll be honest, I don't know if I'm actually gonna do it because that did exhaust me a little bit. I think 2 is good for now because Eran and I, whenever we're home, we usually just use 2. But I love, once we get things cleaned up a little bit and decor up on the wall, then it should look so good. And oh, I just realized, I don't even think I showed you guys what the mirror looks like, but this is it. I really feel like this is the perfect little spot to have a mirror because the lighting is coming in this way. So whenever I'm like talking in the mirror, there's like super good lighting here, which I love. The wooden frame, like I said, I kind of got it to match the vibe that we have over here with the table and the lamp, the pillows. I really think it works very well together. And then off to the side right over here, I actually added this shelf. I felt like the space was super empty. And not only that, we always needed a nice storage solution for things that we need on this floor, especially stuff for Aaliyah. So we actually have her wipes in here. We have her diapers in here. But I do feel like I need to get some more decor pieces for the middle shelf and then the top as well. If you guys do have some ideas on like how I can decorate this, then please let me know down below. I'm thinking maybe I should add some more plants up top, maybe like, I don't even know. I really need some inspiration, so help me out with that. Lately I've been really liking wearing workout sets, but it's been impossible to find workout sets that are like comfortable enough for the bump. So this brand called Story, with an I at the end, not a Y, actually sent over a bunch of workout sets that are not actually meant for maternity. They're meant for like, you know, regular people going on their workouts, but they're super maternity friendly. Like, no joke, these high-waisted leggings are so buttery soft and so stretchy. They're perfect over the bump. So what's in our plans today? You guys know that in the last vlog, we actually went ahead and added like the new lamp, the new rug, that painting over there. So for this wall over here, I really wanted to go ahead and do a gallery wall, and I mentioned that to you guys in my last video. There's a brand called Opposite Wall that actually wanted to send me some prints, and I thought that it would be really fun to try out. They had so many different options, and I had such a hard time like picking and choosing what I wanted, but I might as well just go ahead and hang them up and see what they're gonna look like. But I really wanted to get something that was kind of more like photos and images rather than actual drawings, if that made sense. So I saw this one. I thought it would look really nice. I absolutely love pampas grass. Yes, I'm one of those girls, but having it at home is like super impractical because I feel like Aaliyah would literally grab at it all the time. So I thought that would be like a really pretty frame for the big one. Then I got these like random shapes that I just like the color and the texture. Another like grass kind print texture. I don't know why I like these so much. And then I really did want to add a touch of green because hopefully we're gonna have more plants in the space. So I got this really nice like sage green print with this pattern. I also decided to go ahead with their oak frames because obviously I wanted it to match, and you can see it matches our table pretty well. Pretty! That's pretty, babe, right?
That's nice. I mean, one hand it looks like the thing that you collect dust with.
No, why did you say that?
No, but that thing is usually yellow. That's what I thought it looked like from the beginning.
good together. I love that the green tones of this one actually has some nice undertones that match the big picture, and then the same goes for the pinks. But I need to go and hang these up. Obviously, you guys know when it comes to like wall collages, sometimes it's very easy to like mess it up and not get your positioning right. So what I like to do is take the template and put it right on top of the frame. Then I'm just gonna go grab a marker or a pen. I'm gonna find where the mounting hole is, and I'm actually gonna mark it on the paper. There is like the little mounting pin, and I made a dot exactly where it is, so when I go and put it on the wall, I know where I need to put the nail. And then just do this for each one of the frames. Okay, all my templates are marked. Now using some painter's tape, I'm just gonna go and kind of position where I'm thinking to put the frames, and then once I have a final spot that I like everything, I can nail it down. All right, so I think I found the placement that I like. Hoping these nails will hold up, but let's see. Alright, you guys, the portraits are all up now. I will say, I do really like it. I obviously feel like it needs a bit more personalization, so I'm hoping that maybe me, Eran, and Aliyah, either before baby comes or after baby comes, maybe we could take some photos in like these neutral tones and then have them kind of thrown around these. I think that would look really, really cool. I actually feel kind of bad. I really wanted that every single one of these videos would have like a little cooking segment, but I was really not up for it this week and we have a ton of leftovers. So not in this video, but let me know down below if there's any specific kind of recipes that you guys like. Do you guys like baking? Do you like frying? Do you like grilling? Do you like salads, sandwiches? I always love sharing recipes with you guys, and I really want to commit to doing at least like 1 or 2 per video, so you guys can also take away something from every video you watch. But back to this. What's my commentary? Honestly, I'm so mad at Eran because now every time I look at this pampas grass, I just think of that Swiffer duster. Eran, why would you do that to me? I can't take that out of my mind now.
It's the truth.
Ugh. But I will say, frames are super high quality. The prints are beautiful too. I'm gonna link them down below if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. But I need your opinions now. This is kind of like what the situation in the living room is looking like. And because we have this now, I'm kind of questioning this. Or maybe I'm questioning, like, I don't really know how I feel about all of these canvases together. I definitely feel like it's too much. So either this needs to go or this should be maybe relocated over at the dining table. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Should I just leave it and wait for some family photos? Is there something else you think would look good here? Don't mind our kitchen mess, by the way. We have been reorganizing our pantry, but it actually looks like it's gonna be pretty big. Aliyah, you excited to go swimming? You wanna go swimming? Aliyah. She's scared. She's like running away from it. Yeah, that is really quick. Wow.
No, on your bed.
Yeah, if you don't behave, this is where you're sleeping tonight. Oh my gosh, is that cup holders?
Yeah,
that's
man.
sick.
My protein shake bottle.
Did you put her inside?
No. Honestly, God willing, we have our second baby. This is where we need to put her. She won't be able to go anywhere.
Oh, just put her in here?
Yes.
This is Costco? How much?
Cost $30.
Really? 30 bucks for this whole pool?
Huge.
Baby, look what she's doing.
Hi, babe.
That's not safe. Hi.
Wanna go, Maya?
Let's go. And look, you guys, it's got like seats in it and everything. Oh, they're also mowing the lawn in our neighborhood today. But you guys, this is so awesome. And we got some shade under the palm tree. Aliyah, where's the water? Babe, don't do that. You like it? She's like a fish. She loves water. Alright, we spent some time outside in the pool and it just started to pour and Eran's like, I want to stay inside, but look at how he's like huddled over. He's so cold. She loves it though. Yo, it's pouring. It's okay, it's gonna fill up our pool for free. Oh my gosh. I think so too. Welcome to Florida. But that's it for now. If you guys are watching all the way up to here, y'all are the real MVPs. I'm trying to think, what should we get them to comment this week? Is there an emoji for like hey? Yes, there is. There's an emoji for hay, or you guys can just write hay, like H-A-Y, because right now my house is full of hay, which makes sense because we are the Hay family. If you don't know why we're called the Hay family, it's H-A-E, Haley, Aliyah, and Eran. If you aren't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram to see kind of like all of these events in real time. I love to story about them, post my outfits, all my links, stuff like that as well. But I love you all so much. Thank you again for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.